Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, insya Allah all of you are very well. Ustadzah di sini sehat, happy, insya Allah. Anak-anak di rumah juga sehat and happy. What day is today? Still remember what day is today? Yes, today is Tuesday, 11th of January 2021. Yes. Okay, what is our lesson now? Our lesson now is civic. Okay, Ustadzah have prepared a video for you for civic lesson. Let's check it out.
Let's begin our lesson now by reading Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For today, for civic today, Ustadzah will teach about diversity of individual characteristics at home. Diversity of individual characteristics at home. Diversity adalah keberagaman, individual karakteristik, ciri-ciri individu, ciri-ciri masing-masing orang at home, di rumah. Keberagaman, ciri-ciri masing-masing orang di rumah. Jadi ceritanya di sini kita akan membahas perbedaan karakter, perbedaan ciri-ciri setiap orang yang ada di rumah. Entah itu father, mother, brother, or sister. Okay. But before teacher explain about the diversity, students have to memorize the vocabularies below. Diversity, keberagaman. Gender, jenis kelamin. Male, boy. Same with boy, male same with boy. But if male is more universal, lebih umum. Kalau boy ini khusus yang anak-anak, anak laki-laki. Female, same with girl. Yes, perempuan. Mustache, kumis. Short hair, rambut pendek. Long hair, rambut panjang. Skirt, rok. Trousers, celana panjang. Maybe more vocabularies. This vocabularies is sudah dihafalkan kemarin sama murid-murid ya. Hanya ada mustache di sini, new vocabularies. Next, wear, memakai. Veil, kerudung. Veil, kerudung. Earring, anting. Marble, kelereng. Doll, boneka. Karakteristik, ciri-ciri. Karakteristik, ciri-ciri. Different, berbeda. Ethnic, suku. Traditional clothes, pakaian adat. Traditional clothes, pakaian adat. At home, we live with many people. Di rumah, kita tinggal dengan banyak orang. They are father, mother, brother, sisters. Or maybe you live with grandmother and grandfather. And also maybe you live with your uncle and your aunt. Nah, at home we live with many people and they have different gender. Mereka mempunyai perbedaan gender. What is gender? Gender is jenis kelamin. There are two genders. That is female and male. Yes, female and male. Dimas is a male, but Tasha is a female. Female and male have different characteristics. Characteristics of female are different with characteristics of male. What is the characteristic? What is the characteristic of them? Let's see together. Look at this. Short hair, long hair. Short hair, long hair. So, where do you put the short hair? Yes, short hair to male, long hair to female. Play doll, play doll. Play marble, bermain kelereng. Where do you put the play marble and play doll? Yes, female play doll and male play marble. Wear skirt, wear skirt. Wear trousers. Who wears skirt and who wear trousers? Yes, female wear skirt and male wear trousers. When praying, who wears sarung and kopiah? Who wear mukena when praying? Yes, of course. Female wear mukena when praying and male wear sarung and kopiah. There are some things here that is heels, earring and veil. Heels, earrings and veil. Who wear heels? Who wear earring? And who wear veil? Of course, female wear them. And who have mustache? Yes, male has mustache. Yes, these are the characteristics of female and male. Let's read together with teacher. Characteristics of female: long hair, play doll, wear skirt, wear mukena when praying, wear earring, wear heels, and wear veil, kerudung. The characteristics of male: male has short hair, play marble, wear trousers, wear sarung and kopiah when praying, and male has mustache. Oh, who am I? Assalamualaikum. My name is Hamid. I have blah 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 hair. Of course, because Hamid is a male, so he has short hair. I wear trousers. Saya memakai celana panjang. When I'm praying, I wear kopiah. Ketika aku sholat, aku memakai kopiah. I like to play ball. Saya suka bermain bola. Yes, because Hamid is a boy. It's okay if you want to write I like to play marble, I like to play kite. It's okay, it's up to you. Next. Oh, who am I? Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima. I have long hair. I wear veil. What is the meaning of veil? Yes, veil is kerudung. When I'm praying, I wear mukena. And I like to play doll. Well done. Ustadzah has explained about the differences of gender in our family. But in our family also has the characteristic of ethnic. Perbedaan suku. Kok bisa Ustadzah? Yes, for example, this is your family. And now your family live in Madura. But they may come from different cities in Indonesia. Tetapi mereka bisa jadi berasal datang dari different cities, kota-kota yang berbeda in Indonesia. This is our country, Indonesia. Now you stay in Madura here. Maybe your father comes from Sumatera, from Padang, and your mother comes from Banyuwangi, from Java, and maybe your grandmother from Bali, or from Papua, or maybe come from Dayak, from Borneo, Kalimantan. Ya, bisa jadi orang tua kita berasal dari mana, tinggalnya dulu di mana, sama siapa dengan orang tuanya, kemudian bekerjanya di Madura, misalnya begitu. Atau nenek kita orang Madura tapi kakeknya orang mana, kemudian tinggal di sini. Jadi kita itu bisa jadi berasal dari beberapa tempat, beberapa etnik, suku, bangsa di Indonesia. They have different ethnics. Mereka mempunyai perbedaan suku bangsa. Indonesia has many ethnics. Each ethnic has different culture and different traditional clothes. Indonesia punya banyak sekali suku bangsa. Setiap suku bangsa punya perbedaan budaya, culture, kebiasaan. Misalnya kalau orang Jawa biasanya ngapain, kalau orang Madura biasanya ngapain, kalau orang Papua, orang suku Asmat biasanya ngapain, itu berbeda-beda. Nah, itu namanya perbedaan budaya and different traditional clothes, dan perbedaan pakaian adat. Here Ustadzah has some pictures of traditional clothes in Indonesia based on each ethnic. The first picture is from Padang. Coba kalau kamu lihat ada di toko jual nasi Padang itu mesti ada gambar, kadang ada gambar orang yang pakai begini. Ini adalah pakaian adat, traditional cloth of Padang, pakaian adat orang Padang. Javanese, this Javanese cloth, traditional cloth. Ini adalah pakaian adat orang-orang Jawa. And here we are. Ini adalah our traditional cloth. Makanya orang Madura itu sering pakai baju yang di dalamnya merah putih, baju sakeraya. Kemudian kalau yang perempuan namanya baju Marlena, yang baju merah. Ya, itu adalah traditional cloth of Madura. Balinese. This is the traditional cloth of Bali. Biasanya orang Bali perempuannya itu suka memakai bunga kamboja di telinganya. Ini ciri khasnya orang Bali. Next, asmat. Asmat itu dari Papua. Apa ini Ustazah? Ya, ini adalah simbol bahwa mereka itu dekat sekali dengan alam. Jadi pakaian adatnya ini adalah kayak semacam bulu-bulu gitu, nak, bulu burung cendrawasih kayak gitu. Terus ini ekornya ini kalungnya ini kayak semacam apanya bagian hewan kayak gitu. Itu menandakan bahwa mereka dekat sekali dengan alam. Next, suku Dayak. Ini adalah traditional cloth of Dayak. And finally, you have text from teacher. You should open your civic workbook and open page 2, 3, and 4. You can do it well. And for other page, boleh dikerjakan, boleh tidak dikerjakan untuk yang etnik. Tapi yang wajib adalah halaman 2, 3, dan 4. Untuk yang halaman 5 dan 6 tentang etnik, itu sunnah, boleh dikerjakan, boleh tidak dikerjakan. Okay, thank you student for your attention. Barakallah ya. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi